The bus company involved in the viral assault of a man with a disability has issued a statement. Here's the report.
The bus company involved in the June 9 EDSA busway incident has submitted the written statements of its driver and conductor after a video went viral showing a man with a disability being assaulted by fellow passengers. The Department of Transportation summoned the company to explain why its personnel failed to protect Ilyas Mark, who is on the autism spectrum. In the viral video, Mark can be seen being repeatedly punched and kicked at the back of a public bus. At one point, he was even choked and allegedly electrocuted.
BGT sa bus, kulay yellow, red at saka masakit yan. Didi at saka likod at saka kuyente katawan, kuyente. Ay, ulo. Kuyente ng ulo. Mag-away, sunto. Sa panakay sa BWD.
Following this, the Transportation Department suspended the licenses of the bus driver and conductor. The agency also placed 10 of the company's EDSA busway units under a 30-day preventive suspension.
Pero based on our initial reports, walang ginawa yung konduktor. Pinabayaan lang. O kaya, kung hindi nila kaya, marami talaga, dapat tuminto sila lahat ng staff ng ating busway ay may saik. That is a failure of the driver and the conductor.
Meanwhile, the bus company explained.
Nagpasaklulo sila sa mga naka-duty sa Main Avenue. Base doon sa salaysay, nakiusap naman daw itong naka-duty na Coast Guard, pero hindi nila napababa yung pasahero na nangagat. Siguro sa pag-aakala na kalmado na, pinaabanti na sila. Kaya itinigil na nila sa Buendia. Kinausap ng driver-conductor na tumigil na kasi dadalhin na lang nila sa pulis. Si konduktor na ang nang-awat at nakiusap doon sa mga tao, siya na ang sumalag doon sa kumupuyog para maibaba nila yung tao.
The National Council on Disability Affairs strongly condemned the attack, calling it a violation of the revised penal code. They also urged the public to report similar incidents to the PNP, Persons with Disabilities Affairs Offices, and the NCDA. Meanwhile, the DOTR is coordinating with the police to identify and charge the passengers involved in the assault. For News 5, Gerard De La Peña, We Are One News.